We're here today for a kind of fun student presentation competition, which was extended to all universities in Scotland. We had quite a few entries, and they were assessed, and we've managed to pick something which we think is quite interesting, covering a range of energy topics. And we have 6 presenters today, 4 from Edinburgh, 1 from Glasgow Caledonian University, and 1 from Strathclyde. As this is sponsored by the IEEE, I need to do a little bit of detail on the IEEE. It's not a sales pitch, I'm not a salesman, I'm sure someone will do that better than me, but the IEEE is a very large organisation, and the mission is to foster technological innovation and excellence for the benefit of humanity. There are other institutions which you can join, but IEEE is a very good one, it's very large, there are several benefits. We're looking here at the student market, so some of the benefits for students. You get free or reduced price software from Microsoft, LabVIEW, etc. Obviously, as a member of University of Edinburgh, you probably also get the same privileges, but you get student competitions like this, you get to join the association which has a mentoring programme, and you also get really good discounts at IEEE conferences. And that's the main benefit, in my opinion, of being a member of the IEEE. Because conferences are the best way to go and see what the state-of-the-art research is, and also to grow your network. Within the IEEE there are several different societies. What we're interested in today is the Power and Energy Society. That covers a whole breadth of topics, as you can imagine. It's the 3rd largest technical society, and some specific benefits for students, of which probably everyone here is able to apply. And one of the prizes today is student membership. So the first year is free, so getting that as a prize doesn't quite work, but obviously you get the 2nd year free if you win. You get the access to the educational software. You also get monthly magazines on power and energy written by experts in the field. There's more information at that link. If anyone's interested, they can email me. There is an IEEE student branch which isn't particular to the Power and Energy Society. It covers all societies. The student branch at Edinburgh, I don't think are represented here today, but if you're interested, you can get in touch with me, speak to me after this, and I can put you in contact with them. They have quite a large number of meetings, etc., and it's good for networking and finding out what's happening. So today we have 6 presentations in total. We have 3 judges, and we'll go through quickly what the process is. So each presenter will have up to 15 minutes to present. When we get to 14 minutes, I'll make a noise from one of these corners to notify people that they need to kind of wrap it up. Following the presentation, there'll be up to 3 minutes for questions. Okay, so we'll be looking towards the judges to ask some particular questions on a technical content perhaps, or the ideas, but of course we're encouraging the whole audience to ask as well. So don't feel you can't ask a question just because the judges have. Our 3 judges, we have Dr. Sasha Jokic, Dr. Jonathan Sheck, and Dr. Aristides Koprakis. So they're all from Edinburgh, but there'll be no bias. Last year we had only Edinburgh-based judges, and it was a colleague from Strathclyde who won. So that shows how transparent and fair we are. They have their marking schemes, so we'll go through that towards the end. No one else needs to know about that, but the winner will be announced on the day. The prize is £75 in hard cash, plus student membership to the IEEE for the 2nd year. The runners-up prize is, I believe, the student membership to the IEEE, again, 2nd year, and everyone who participates gets a certificate to do it as they please. So the schedule for today, try to mix it up a little bit. So we have Anna, who will present first on the impact of wind power on energy storage revenue, and we'll lead on to that, sticking with the wind theme, Ranby, who will look at failures in Chinese wind farms, and then we'll have Fraser, who will present on energy harvesting from linear flow. So that'll be quite a technical presentation perhaps. We'll see how that one's pitched. And then we'll have one of our MSc students, Bindo Kumar, who will look at control of grid-connected hybrid systems. We'll finish off the day with Mehdi, who will pull us towards the smart grid communication aspect, which is one of the most hot topics in power systems research at the moment. And we'll finish with Gautam with a little bit of stakeholder engagement and looking at smart grid modelling for educational purposes. So that's enough from me, I think you'll all agree. So I'd like to hand over to our presenters, with Anna to go first.
This production is brought to you by the University of Edinburgh.